After downloading the steps, now we are going to add the steps into our character. So what we do now? First we have to uh, create an animator controller. By using animator controller only, we can add animations, right? So first first click on assets here. Right click on the project window, click on create. In that you can find animator controller. So select animator controller and rename it as dance or character dance. Now we contain an animator controller called character dance, right? If you open this, if we double click on this, it will be open like this in the animator. So in here you have to add the animations. So we already have a folder called animations. In that we contain a lot of animations, right? So I'm going to take some animations that match it with my audio source. So by using that audio source only, the character have to animate, right? So I'm taking first I'm going to drag all these animations into this controller. From there I'm going to add the steps. So first what we have, I'm going to uploading here like this. Now what we have, I'm taking first this one initially hip hop move. This is the one of the animation. I'm taking lot of steps like this. By selecting and control D, it will be appeared like this 0 1 2. I'm arranging like this, so it will be easy to view. See here, I contain this kind of animation. I have 5 steps, so I'm going to add this all steps to continue for the continuation. So for the continuation steps, you need right click on the selected animation and click on make transition. It will get an arrow mark and select on the second animation what you want to play the next. So I'm going to play the next this one. I'm going to select this, but do this all same thing to all of these animations like this. By making transition and selecting, first right click on the animation and you have to select at the end of the animation like this. Now I connected 5 buttons, 5 animations like this. Now just I'm going to play the animation what it was getting. So let's see. To play the animation, first you have to add this character animator controller to the character, right? So select the character. In the add component, you have to choose animator. What is that animator? So by using this animator only, we can add the animator controllers. So we already have an animator controller, right? You can go from the project window or simply you can select here and you can select character dance like this. Now you can play and check the output where what it was coming. See here, it was stopped. That means it does not contain any animation here. So that's why it was stopped. So let's add one more, some more animations. Like I'm going to add this step. I'm going to copy this like this. Again, I'm going to take 5 steps like this. And I'm going to make a transition from here to here to all this like this. Here, from here, this is the last one for this step, right? So after the completion of this step, you have to continue for the this step. So I'm going to make a transition to here like this. See here. See the arrow, in the way of the arrow, it will go to the continue the animation. So now let's play it. and check the output. It was stopped, right? So that means it was ended from here up to here. But the song is not syncing to the animation, right? So at some places only it was not syncing. So I'm going to add this. I like this, like make a transition from here. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to make a transition from here. I'm going to add some extra steps like this, and like this. And next, I'm going to add one more animation called hip hop. This one I'm going to add here. From here to here. Not this one. I copied this one. Have to select this and have to make some duplicates like this. Yeah, keep it here and move it here. Yeah, like this. Think it was good. We taken a lot of animations, right? So let's test this. How it was going. And clicking on play again. See, your animation is moving, but character is not available. Oh, let's see whether I'm clicking on play. Let's wait a second and check again. Click on play. It was good, but the animation when the image star is not scanned, but the animation is playing, right? It's continuing, but we don't have to make like that. So for that we have to write a condition. What the condition is, in the image target we already have an image target script, right? See here, we already write a condition. When the image target is found, the music will have to play. So the same condition we have to write for the animator. So where is the animator present in the character, right? So I'm going to drag this character into this on target found. So first, before adding the character animator, first create a runtime object like this and drag this character into this empty object. It will ask a function for which we have to write a function for the animator, right? So in the animator, what we have to, it's nothing but a rewind. When the target is lost, it have to rewind, or if the target is found, it have to rewind. So that means we can't write in the target lost because we are playing rewind, right? If the target is found, it will automatically rewind. So we can't, we don't need to write in the lost function. So we can simply write like this. So, and after one thing in the animator, if the steps are over, the dance will be completed, right? So I don't want to complete my dance steps. So I'm going to repeat the steps again. So for that, I'm going to drag this uh, transition to first one. So it will like a loop. So we don't need any stops like that. So for that, I'm taking a transition to here. So it is a continuous way. When the animation is completed to last one, it will again go to the first and it will start animating. So it will be sync with the music. So let's see, let's check that. If the target is lost, the animation is also continuing. But see here, when the target found, it starts from first, right? See here, it was done. I'm going to add one more step of the hip hop, so it will be more good. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to add the transition from here to here like this. It was done. In this way, we can add animations. You can add more animations. Depends upon your music. So for my music, it was done. It was good.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as Codegnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.